Hello, meet the Sofabaton U2, the game changer in home entertainment control. This budget-friendly universal remote supports over 500,000 devices, including TVs, soundbars, and streaming players, making remote juggling a thing of the past. So just to let you know, so this is the a different version. So I already have one of those remotes, amazing remotes from Sofabaton in my channel, and I will show you video of it right away. But just to say, if you want to also check the other review, I have already the video on the channel. Okay, so inside the box we have the remote, some paperwork so you can learn if you have doubts, but this is really simple. I think after the video you will be able to start operating all your infrared devices and Bluetooth devices at your house, and you will be quite happy because you will put all the other remotes away. And that's it. That's the only thing you want, the only thing you need. It's this remote, and as you can see, it's really shiny, and it has this scroll wheel at the top, and from there you can select which device you will control. Rubber buttons, and you feel like this remote is premium. Okay, it's something like really cheap you order from AliExpress. No, this is premium quality. Okay, so this is the other one which is more expensive, and to be honest, I prefer this one, and now I'm gonna tell you why. So the other one, this one, is really in fact is really good. It doesn't require batteries. It has some more stuff than this one, but this one doesn't require a hub, a central unit. So that means that you can take it everywhere. So you can take it to a different room in your house, to your bedroom, to your kitchen, to your wherever you have an infrared or Bluetooth device, you can control with this controller. And with the other one, you are stuck where you place your hub. Okay, so right now we are looking at the setup. So you need the Sofabaton application, and for the first time it will ask you to enable location, and it will require to pair by Bluetooth. So you need to press those two keys, and then it will connect, and we are ready. So you see already a lot of the devices on my application, because I was testing, okay, in order I could explain to you all the features. I was making some experiences, and it's so easy. I already put all those devices on the application, so I'm able to control all of those devices. Okay, so you can change the order on the Android application or iPhone application. You can change the order. Okay, so we can use infrared learning, okay, or search from the database. So right now I'm going to show you how you can use the learning feature. So you just select the other remote that you want to learn from, and you put it like this in front of the Sofabaton U2, and then you just go to the app, select the button you want to set up, and you press it on the device button, and like this you select all the buttons you want. Okay, and at the end we just need to save, give it a name, and select an icon or a logo as you wish, and it will be ready, and it's ready to operate. And as I told you, you can take it even outside your house. So if you go somewhere and you want to operate a different remote, a different TV or soundbar or whatever, you can take it with you. Okay, so because it's really easy. Okay, so more details. So it's a compact design, features an OLED display, a smooth scroll wheel, and an intuitive button layout for effortless navigation. Setting up is a breeze. Just connect via Bluetooth to Sofabaton app, choose your devices and customize buttons in seconds. So as you can see, it was really easy, really easy. And then if you decide to change something inside an already created device, you can go in and make changes. So if you want to change something, you are always able to do it, to add more functions to that remote, or to delete something that you've done incorrectly. So, and you can also remove some devices that you don't use anymore. Okay, so another interesting feature here on settings is ability to make backups. So if something goes wrong, you don't have to start from zero. You can put back your backup and you are ready to roll. Okay, so, and this is database. So if we want to add a different specific device, so a Fire TV which operates by Bluetooth, it's already on the database, so it will be easier. So you just select that. We have to then go to the Fire TV, and on the Bluetooth options, search for a new device, and you will find the Sofabaton U2 to select, and they will pair. And that's why you saw I have I name it 2. So I name it number 2 because I already have another version, so I already tried that. Okay, so just to say that for my TV, which is an Android TV, I done it 2 different ways. So one, I learned from the original remote with infrared, and then I created a second entrance with the Bluetooth connection, and both work really well. Okay, so as you can see, I'm selecting my Tube TV, a Sony Trinitron, and I'm able to turn it on, switch channel. I will not show channels here, but you got an idea that we are capable of controlling other devices quickly. So, and everything works really well. Okay, so now I'm switching to the home screen, and this is the Android devices. I'm able to navigate everywhere. I'm able to go and change HDMI. Everything works really well. So I highly recommend this smart remote control, because in fact it works and it's really easy to operate. Okay, so now let me show you if you plan to search on a database. So you go for the brand, and then within the brand we have DVDs, we have TVs. So you just need to go for the device you are searching for, which is, if it is a DVD, a Blu-ray, or sound device, and then search by the model, and you just add it to your application, and it will be there. Then you can, if you wish, you can make changes inside. Okay, so look at the color. So learn keys blue, Bluetooth keys red. So the blue ones are the ones we learned from the remote. So here I'm using the macros. So we are able to create macros. So imagine you want to perform more than one task. You will create a macro and then select which buttons to press. So, and then you will assign to a specific key. So you can operate one device making several actions, or even with the same key you can operate more than one device. Imagine you want to switch on the TV and at the same time to switch the sound bar, okay, to turn it on, or make another macro to turn it off, to turn both devices off. So it's really easy to create everything. And now I'm going to show you that I can now operate all my devices. So this is an Android TV box, and as you can see, it works flawless. Okay, really easy. It's on the top of the left speaker, and yeah, it just works. Now I'm going to change. Okay, let's do another one. So as you can see, my Toshiba, so we can go to inputs, everything works. So don't be afraid if you are looking for a smart control. I think this is the one. Okay, and I say it again, it's cheaper from compared to the other one, which is also really good. But I'm really happy. Okay, so this one was sent to me by Sofabaton. Thank you very much, and I will be using it, and I will recommend to all my friends. And it's now I don't see so many remotes on my living room because I will hide all the other ones. Okay, as you can see, I'm controlling different brands and all works amazing. So don't forget, if you enjoy this video and you enjoy this product, to leave a like. If you have questions, drop a comment, and if you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe, and I catch you on a new video. Bye bye.